We have only gone and done it. We have hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so happy. I literally filming other videos earlier today. I'd just gone and had some dinner and saw on my phone that we hit that magic 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much. I really can't thank you all enough, all 1,000 of you, for helping me get to where we are today. And I'm just over the moon. It's been amazing. So I wanted to come on and say thank you. I also wanted to share some statistics because I'm a nerd and that's the kind of thing that interests me. Chances are you too might be a nerd and those sorts of things also interest you. So I thought I'd share some bits and pieces from where I've got to really. I still can't believe it. 1,000 is something that I've been working for quite a while now, actually. We originally started this channel 1st of June 2021. I originally set it up and as something that was going to kind of be part of my developer relations duties at my kind of then current job. And certainly, if you go back and look at some of my first videos, that's exactly what's going on. You'll see my first video was released on the 6th of July 2021. And a lot of those first videos were all about using Huawei cloud services and building stuff with them because that's was where I was working at the time. And they were kind of the first thing that I really got into in terms of longer video making. I'd done a bit of TikTok in the past. I'd also streamed in the past, done some gaming streaming, doing Minecraft and that sort of thing. But I'd never really done longer videos on YouTube, and certainly no kind of educational content. So I really enjoyed doing those. It really kind of kick-started this channel. But it was definitely slow going at the start, considerably slow going, in fact. It actually took me 610 days to reach my first 100 subscribers. And at that time, 100 subscribers seemed like an absolute massive milestone. And in reality, it was. It was a big milestone to start having that interest in the channel. And that kind of slowly continued on over the years. And then I changed jobs and I moved to work for Vonage in 2022, I do believe. And when I started then going to more events, things were opening up after COVID. I started kind of broadening the content that was on this channel and started doing things like some aviation content, some travel vlogs, some hotel reviews, all those sorts of things. And again, started to pick things up and started to see things going. And then last year, 2023, about this time last year, in fact, I started doing more tech content as well. Always really enjoyed tech, and so started doing some tech reviews and looking at different pieces of like tech really, and things that I had, things that I remember, all that sort of stuff. And then sort of fast forward to today, and we're very much now a kind of amalgamation of all those things. My interests in a YouTube channel. We still do aviation content. We still do travel content. We still do hotel reviews, and we do lots of tech stuff as well. I've been able this year to really start picking up the pace and doing a video every week. That's kind of been my goal for this year since quite early on this year. I wanted to make sure I had a video every single week. And so far, that's going really well. Some weeks I have two videos. So I think that momentum has really helped grow the channel. And then certainly a more recent video of mine a couple of weeks ago, my car boot tech hunt video, that kind of exploded. And I would say for the most part, about 100 of my subscribers have just come from that video. So if you've come from that video, hello, welcome to the channel. You're not alone, that's for sure. So yeah, it's been quite a wild ride. It's definitely kind of skyrocketed in this last kind of month, really, which has been wild. And it's kind of funny to think that it took me 610 days to get that first 100 subscribers. Well, it actually only took me 7 days to go from 900 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers. So that's quite a big difference, and we're on quite a trajectory at the moment heading upwards, which is great. I love that people are enjoying the content that I enjoy creating. I think that's the most important thing. So a few other kind of statistics that are just interesting to me. My most watched video, which now has over 50,000 views, is actually one of my aviation videos. It's my review of BA's A380 Premium Economy offering from last year, I believe. And that still gets a lot of views and it's still going very well. I'm glad people enjoyed that. I enjoy that kind of cabin review videos, and I know they're very useful if you're booking a holiday. I know personally that's exactly what I do, is check out YouTube videos about those planes, about that airline, what's going on there. But my most successful so far non-aviation video is definitely my video from earlier this year around this being the year of Linux on the Mac and looking at Ash IE Linux. That's about 7,000 views at the moment. I will say that the car boot video is probably going to overtake it very soon. That video has only been up for like 10 days and we've already about 5,000 views on that one. So that's going for it as well. So definitely, if you haven't seen that video, chances are you have seen it. But if you haven't, go check it out. And then, yeah, I just think this amazing kind of momentum that's going on at the moment. So I really just wanted to come on and thank you so much for all the help and everything that the community is kind of building around. It's great to see. I really hope you stick around and enjoy these videos. However, if you're watching this video and you're not already subscribed, or you're watching any of my content and you're not already subscribed, please do. Only 1% of everyone that watches my videos is subscribed, which is kind of mad to think that if, you know, even just 10% of those people then subscribed, it would be a massive jump in my subscription numbers. So it'd be really cool if you can subscribe if you aren't already. But again, I say thank you so much to everyone that has already subscribed and those 1,000 subscriber goal. It's been amazing. You know who you are. Everyone that has kind of subscribed so far, you are in that 1,000 subscriber club, the elite OGs. So it's great. So thank you very much. Again, I'm now just rambling, so I'm gonna wrap it up here. But I'm looking forward to more to come. Let's put it that way. I've got loads of more video ideas, loads of things in the pipeline. I'm really looking forward to it, and I think you will all like it too. Okay, thank you very much. I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.